I had thought about the realest shit, and it's crazy, right? I figured out how to get paid every single day from 2 different income streams, and they're all by just doing shit off the phone. You think about that job you work in, isn't it crazy how you guys get paid every other week, once every other week, and you work almost every single fucking day, but you don't get paid every day? And that's the most thing that blows my fucking mind. You get paid every day, but it's on hold. And bro, when I tell you this business model, not only is not like it's like a, people think it's like a pyramid scheme or some shit. It's nothing like that, because it's like you're helping each other get to that next level and learning how to market and make money and monetize, within the market. You gotta know what digital marketing is before you even judge it off rip. A lot of people, they just wanna come and, out call some shit a scheme or scam. What's a scheme and a scam? Is being at a 9 to 5 that barely pays you. It gives you no bread every day. Every day you waiting on a check. When you know you got bills that need to be paid. You know you got this, that, and the third. And I told you I came across this lady. She's killing it on digital marketing. And I'm like, it's right up my alley, so why not sit here and dibble and dabble in it? So basically, I started a whole another Instagram. I already got one Instagram at 7,000, but the whole thing about it is just about purity. You want the right target looking at your shit. You don't want a bunch of fucking kids. Like I said, like my whole entrepreneurship started with personal branding. So being on YouTube 5+ years and just going crazy, and then learning how to transition into business offers and just making a bag online with your phone. You learn how to elevate, and you learn that the demographic that been keeping up with you, you will have to retarget to hit a whole different type of demographic. Like, I'm way past trying to impress and prank fucking little kids to get views. Like that was my mindset, just being that YouTuber. But now I'm all about sitting here helping people get to the bag and get up out they rut. A lot of people, they work in these dead-end jobs that don't even be paying them $100 a day. That shit is fucking crazy. You work 8 hours plus to not even get $100 a day. I'm talking after taxes. People be working and even think like, oh, okay, I made $100. I made $120, $130. No, you making $130 in the United States, New York. Your ass is getting after taxes $100, if that. Picture all the people who not even making that an hour. Like, with digital marketing though, this shit is all passive. So you create all the work, like I said, within the guide. It shows you how to market correctly, and that way you can sit there and market to your target niche. Start a new Instagram, get the posting. I've been posting at least 3 times a day on my main channel, going crazy with the eBay. So I'm just like, let me sit here and teach people how to do digital marketing, since I learned it on a whole different Instagram, because I just want to retarget people organically. And if you're interested, tap in, because it's low-key a free bag. You're not putting no crazy investment in, and you reselling it, rebranding it as your own, going stupid, making a bag at least 5K to 10K a month. I'm looking to hit six figures within digital marketing. So that's selling products on eBay e-commerce, and digital marketing. 2 6-figure businesses is a fucking $1 million, you feel me? Both, I'm trying to hit both of them at 500K, both. You feel me? Like, the end of the day, digital marketing is the next level. And I don't say this lightly too, because when I'm on something and it's working for me already, then I start spilling the tea. Like, niggas need to start doing this. But even short form content, I was making the bag, creating short form content. Niggas didn't want to take the sauce and run with it. I made at least like 2-3 videos on how to do that, and you still can make the bag with that. But that's just a whole different other ball game when you want to have an agency and you selling an offer. But we in a whole different new space right now. So it's all about personal brand on social media, marketing your product. Like I said, don't sit here and waste your time and be wasting. I don't know about y'all, like, I'm the type of nigga to get the bag. So if I see a motherfucker going crazy with it, I'm going to copy him literally step by step to get that same bag. If not, turn up even more. Because I will copy you and then surpass you every time, no matter who it is. I'm going to always take the information and go harder than the next. And I suggest everybody do the same, because you're not wasting time creating a product. You're not sitting here wasting time trying to get testimonials, and this shit already got testimonials. So basically, you got the proof, you got the pudding, you got the sauce. Market your shit to the next audience. Start a new Instagram channel, TikTok channel, even the Facebook. If you start posting all of them on 3 of them every single day, 3 reels a day, three TikToks a day if you on TikTok, and go crazy with the bag. But yeah, man, like I'm telling you, everybody thinks that, it's gonna be something quick too. You gotta put the work in. You cannot be missing days of marketing. Marketing is key, and you gotta market correctly. Like I said, in the guide, this shows you how to market correctly. You don't want to come off too salesy. You want to come off authentic. And there's a strategy for everything. And this is why I started a whole new Instagram, because low-key, I didn't even know this until I bought the course. Once I bought the course, then I turned up my eBay e-commerce page. I'm still at 7K. I'm about to be at 10K. But people not really fucking with the eBay. A lot of people, you know what it is? A lot of people are lazy motherfuckers. So when it comes down to it, people will take the sauce, and doing the implementations every single day with eBay e-commerce is way more work, way more harder than, not saying it's harder, but it's more work ethic that you gotta put in digital marketing. Like I said, you get the guide, you get the course, you set it up on your link in bio, and you just market every day. Everybody be on social media anyway, so posting 3 reels a day shouldn't be hard if you really want that bag, compared to eBay e-commerce. If you really want more of a bag, like I said, eBay e-commerce, I'm already at 6 figures with that. About to run up digital marketing with another 6 figures. But like I said, you get the course, you put it in the bio, you resell it, market, show people the wave, and boom, everybody eat type shit. eBay e-commerce, if you guys also want to learn that, I'm also teaching that. Click that in the link below, get access to my guides, get access to my courses, because eBay e-commerce also is going to be saturated once it becomes thriving in competition with Amazon, because eBay is coming for Amazon. The only thing about eBay is that it just has a lot of not scammers, but a lot of like people who are trying to sell knockoff products. So yeah, once that gets cleared up, and say AI take over the security and all that stuff, then that's when you're gonna see eBay be basically in competition with Amazon, because eBay been around, if not longer than Amazon. But that's a whole nother story. Like I said, digital marketing, we going up with this 2024, 2025. Get your shit and get your ducks together now, because when you get to next year, top of next year, I promise you, everybody's gonna sit here and regret it because they didn't start early. And the motherfuckers who are regretting it gonna be the ones trying to start later. And they're gonna miss out on the whole wave. They missing out on the whole wave now. It's about starting literally like 2 to 3 months before the new year. I'm always on the new, when it was Facebook drop shipping, before Facebook enabled the shipping feature, I was one of the first people to run up the bag on Facebook, made over 5 to 10K. Then we got into eBay, ran up the bag, still run up the bag to this day. But from eBay, I was learning how to also market my service and doing short form content. So there's always a phase that you gotta go into and always be ahead of the curve onto the next wave. It's your boy Mike. Tap in, click the link in the bio if you guys want more videos of these. How to go from broke to at least 10K a month. You know what I mean? Apply the sauce, apply the knowledge that's in the bio. Apply everything, man. Because implement, you know what it is? Knowledge is only so much, but implementation is everything. You could have the whole guide in your whole fucking hand, and you will not take one action, and you will miss the opportunity. And that's what I learned. Just start doing shit. If you don't even know, just copy the next nigga, and then build off that, and then do your own thing. But yeah, tap in. It's your boy Mike. Click, like, subscribe, and I'm out.
Won't close, they ain't tired of me. Got bad hoes on call, they keep blowing me. Get money every day, I'm focused, this shit all of me. That's my hoe, that's my role, this shit all of me. Fresh white teeth, wipe my fresh teeth. Fuck the rap.